chicken curry or murg curry. Murg is chicken. It's a delicious, lightly spiced Pakistani curry. I call it training curry because it's mild like the Thai masaman. It's perfect for introducing curry virgins to the whole spice world. My girls who don't eat chilies, don't like anything hot, love this curry. My 11-year-old loves cooking this because it's so easy to put together. Now the word karai is like balti. It refers to the Indian receptacle that resembles a wok, except that it has steeper sides. Woks tend to be a little bit more gentle. If you don't have a karai to cook in, a wok will suffice, a saucepan will suffice. Even one of those deep shallow casserole dishes will suffice, because this is the sort of dish that you cook on the stove and take it and place it straight on the table. Serve the curry in what it was cooked in. And everybody then digs in and helps themselves to it. So let's go look at the ingredients.